is sum and difference of angle of trigonometric function. Formula: sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Next formula: sin a minus b equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Next, cos a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Here tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. Use of this formula. Suppose any question in form sin 75 degree. Find the value of sin 75 degree. We written 45 plus 30. Both value are major. Here a, here b. This sin 45 cos 30 degree plus cos 45 sin 30 degree. Then written the value, so 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. Solve root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Take LCM, 2 root 2, root 3 plus 1. So sin 75 gives the value root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Next question, cos 15 degree equal to, written in this form, cos 45 minus 30 degree. Here 45a, 30b, then cos 45 degree, cos 30 degree minus sin 45 degree, sin 30 degree. Here minus take place in cos formula plus, putting the value of 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 upon root 2 into 1 upon 2. Here root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Take LCM, 2 root 2 upon root 3 plus 1. So as same value as sin 75. We know that sin 90 minus theta cos theta or cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Here cos 15 cot 15 degree written as cos 90 minus 75. So this gives value sin 75. So cos 15 equal to sin 75 and sin 15 equal to cos 75. Suppose any question in this form: tan 75 degree. So this is written as tan 45 degree plus 30 degree. Tan 45 plus tan 30 degree upon 1 minus tan 45 degree tan 30 degree equal to 1 plus 1 upon root 3 upon 1 minus 1 into 1 upon root 3. Take LCM root 3. Here root 3 minus 1. Here take LCM root 3. So root 3 minus 1. This root 3 cancel out. So tan 75 degree equal to root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Root 3, this sign make positive, 1 plus 1 upon root 3. So root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Suppose any question given in this form: in triangle ABC, find relation in tan angle. We know that sum of angle of triangle will 180. So A plus B equal to pi minus C. Taken tan both sides, so tan A plus B equal to tan pi minus C. So tan A plus B written as minus tan C. Formulate in this question: tan A plus B written as tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B equal to minus tan C. Multiply cross. So tan A plus tan B equal to minus tan C plus tan A tan B into tan C. So tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal to tan A tan B tan C. Many problem in this formula creation. Suppose any triangle ABC, then value of tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal to tan A tan B tan C. Suppose any question in this form: find maximum and minimum value. Suppose A sin theta plus B cos theta equal to C. Then both sides multiply B. Coefficient of sin theta A, coefficient of cos theta B, So squaring and adding, then after rooting, under root a square plus b square. In this equation we divide under root a square plus b square both sides, and many formula creation. Suppose any question sin theta plus under root 3 cos theta equal to 2. So this multiple 1, then compare in this form sin theta coefficient and cos theta coefficient square root, then adding and taken square root. So 1 plus 3 gives 2. Equation divided by 2 both sides. So sin theta plus root 3 cos theta whole divide by 2, here 2. Separate divide 1 by 2 sin theta plus root 3 by 2 cos theta equal to 1. This equation written in this form either sin or cos. Suppose written in sin, तो ये sin theta sin half value sin 30 plus cos theta value cos 30 equal to cos 0 degree. Cos or sin 90 degree. This formula sin A sin B cos A cos B, to written cos theta minus 30 degree equal to cos 0 degree. Cancel out cos, so theta minus 30 equal to 0. So theta equal to 30 degree. Suppose any question in this form. Find maximum and minimum value 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta. Here squaring the coefficient of sin and cos, then adding and taken square root. This value gives 9 plus 16 value 5. So max value max plus under root a square plus b square, minimum value minimum minus under root a square plus b square. So value plus minus 5. Suppose any question given in this form, solve the problem. Solve cos 10 degree plus sin 10 degree whole upon cos 10 degree minus sin 10 degree. In this form question we take common cos 10 degree. So 1 plus sin 10 upon cos 10 whole upon cos 10, ये 1 minus sin 10 upon cos 10. This cancel out. All of tan formulae, tan a plus b either tan a minus b, denominator must be start with 1. So make this 1 take cos common. This 1 written in this form tan 45 plus tan 10 degree upon 1 minus this multiply by 1, this 1 written tan 45 into tan 10 degree. So this question make tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b written as tan a plus b. So tan 45 plus 10 degree equal to tan 55 degree. This tan 55 degree written as tan 90 minus 35 degree. tan 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, cot. So this problem take place either tan 55 degree or cot 35 degree. Next example, if a minus b equal to 45 degree, a minus b equal to 45 degree, then find a relation in tan. In tan, taken tan both sides, to tan a minus b equal to tan 45. Tan a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. This 45 written as 1. Cross multiply tan a minus tan b equal to 1 plus tan a tan b. Here this question written as tan a minus tan b minus tan a tan b equal to 1. Suppose any question in this form. Find value of tan a plus b by 2 in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we know that sum of angle of triangle will 180 or pi. Transfer C angle. So a plus b equal to pi minus c. Dividing by both sides by 2. Taken tan both sides. So tan a plus b by 2 equal to tan 90 minus c by 2. Tan 90 minus theta gives cot theta. So this problem gives us tan a plus b by 2 equal to cot c by 2. Many problems solved by this situation. Tan b plus c by 2. Similarly, tan b plus c by 2 equal to cot a by 2, and tan a plus c by 2 equal to cot b by 2. Many problems solved from this condition.